This is apparently just again shows us where the hail. There's a new warning. While we're working on this, we have a new warning now updated.
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Starr County in deep South Texas, west central Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of La Victoria, Oregon, 12 miles northeast of Garciasville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and property. Vehicle damage will include cracked or shattered windshields and major dents requiring significant repairs. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding, and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. Locations impacted include Sullivan City, Los Ebanos, Cuevitas, San Fordyce Elementary School, and Havana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter, inside a strong building and away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.